Joe, Beermaster here. Today we have a 2007 FJ Cruizer. I'm going to show you how to remove this mirror and remove the door trim panel to replace this mirror or taking it off for painting, refinishing. So this covers multiple years. They're all the same. First thing you want to do is go in here and take this door panel off, and I've already got it loosened. So if you open this little, get a little screwdriver, open that little hatch here, it'll be a Phillips. Another one in here, Phillips. And there's a little, let's see if I can find it, little plastic rivet that goes in there. You just push in the center with a little screwdriver and that will pop right out. So it's those three items. And then we stick a screwdriver underneath the door panel. You want to use a thick one, start from the bottom and pull out. You got to pull pretty hard and use a thick flat screwdriver. They'll spread the pressure out so it doesn't crack the panel. And this will come off once all those three items are off, and then you lift up. We're lifting the door panel and we bring it down. So to get to the bolts for this mirror, you want to take these, there's 4 10mm bolts. I have already taken 3 of them out. We'll take the last one. 10mm is pretty standard. I don't know if you watch my videos. That's pretty standard. Some of the Fords have a lot of 8s, but 10mm is the standard. So this is an access hatch. We're going to pull that off. Once you get that off, let's look in there. See, there's a plug for the mirror. We're going to disconnect that. Another 10mm. And there's 2 up top, so we're going to use an extension. We're going to take that. First, we're going to unplug it. The way we unplug it is by pressing that little button there and pulling. That was easy. I did that with one finger. Now we're going to put the extension on and take them off, and that will remove it. So to get the trim panel off was very easy. It only took me a couple seconds. And I'm just going to show you inside the trim panel. There's some other connections in here if you ever need to take the trim panel off to disconnect. And so let's get this mirror off. Alright, so we got the extension. Loosen them up. Alright, came off. Sometimes these little studs there hold it in. And that's it. That's how you get the mirror off. You can either replace the mirror at this point or just take it off for painting. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.